Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily set up captions along the bottom like this, how you can overcome problems. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. So if I click on the video, go to volume and turn that down so it doesn't interrupt what I'm going to talk to you about. So if I place my cursor there, go to captions. I've got a choice of captions here. So I'm just looking at the captions. I've got quite a few different sorts of background on my video. So something like that. Let's have a look at this. Let's try that. Let's try generating captions like that. So that stands out. I can expand the captions. Place it in the middle. I can increase the size. So let's play it and see what it looks like. So if I wanted to, I can go in and amend the segments of the captions along the upper timeline. So if I play it, I can stop it a minute. I can tap on the particular area. I can delete. I can use my scroll buttons. I made a mistake there. I can undo it. I can go along and amend it as I want. What can happen if you've got a video with a lot of content on there and you try to add captions as I am in the app, you can get a certain amount of lag. What I've found successful is working with Canva Online. When you work on Canva Online, you're not taking into account your processor speed on your laptop PC. You're working off the server on the internet in the cloud, so it's a lot quicker. So that's one workaround that I've found. You can, if you want, what I sometimes do is I do my intro and then I have the instructional part of the video. You can split the video up and just have the instructional part of the video with the captions on. There's all sorts of options. So if I tap on the text there, I can go to effects and change the captions. So you can go in and go back to the styles and choose a different style. You can animate. So I can have a typewriter there. You can change the position. You can increase the font size. You can change it's bold, italic or underline if those values apply to that particular font. You've got the time in there, duration. You can split it as well. Transparency. Go into the advanced settings. So setting up captions in Canva is very versatile. You can change the colour as well. You can do with it what you can go as far as your imagination wants. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. So thanks for watching.